So a couple of years ago, I did a video on how to create watermark for your designs, documents, and what have you. But I think that method is actually very stressful and outdated. So let's see how to do that right now, real quick. So here's the design. I want to add a watermark all over this white area. We're going to use the watermark of the association logo right over here. So this square, so this shape is what we're going to add a watermark. So we're going to duplicate it, bring it aside, and then we're going to move over to this interactive fill tool, or you press G. So once you press G, you're going to come over here where you have the bitmap pattern fill and click on it. So it's going to give it a pattern fill, but that's not what we want. So we're going to click on this drop down arrow right here, move over to browse. So we'll find where the logo is located. So right over here. So but we can't find our logo, no image right here. So we have to make sure that this is changed to the format of the image or the logo we're looking for. So our own is JPEG, so we're going to select JPEG, or if it is PNG, you can select PNG. So make sure you change that to the file format of the logo so that it will appear over here. So we're going to select JPEG. So when you click on JPEG, you see the images we have now appear. So we now go over to right here to search for the logo, and here is it. So we're going to click on it and click open, or you can double click it. So the images appear right inside the shape, and we're going to come over here, this little box over here, and adjust it to reduce the size of this logo. So we are reducing the size, and also you can change the transformation, the orientation right from this place. So once you're done with that, you're going to remove the outline, go to transparency and increase it a little bit. So place it on top of the original shape and bring all these right up to the front of the layer. So that is it. So when you look closely, you're going to see the watermark. So the same thing with this one right here. We want to add a watermark, let's say MLS watermark all over this certificate. So first of all, we're going to type the MLS, and we're going to type it in such a way that we're going to give it a predefined spaces. So look at what I'm doing right now, MLS. So type it in 3 places. So we're going to bring it over to the next page and then draw a square and maintain the spaces around it. So we're going to remove the outline of the square, and then we export it as PNG. So when we export as PNG, we're going to create a square of the area that we want to cover it with, and then use the interactive fill color. And after using the interactive fill color, I'm going to use the transparency tool, and then I'm going to send it behind the layer, or we will bring all right up right in front of the layer. So with that, we have the watermark right all over the design, and that's very simple to do. I think is actually very easier and better than the first method. What do you think about the method? Drop it in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe, do that now. Never miss a video from us. Catch you on the next one. Bye.